So here we got the login page, and with login credentials, as you can see here, if I leave anything blank and I click register, should pop up an error, and that's what we have. So if I put in a username that's valid length but a password that's too short, or a confirmation that's not correct, then I should still have an error. And if I put in a correct name and put in a valid length of a username as well as a valid password, then I should be able to correctly register. And there you have it, I've registered. So if I log in with what I just registered, it'll bring me to a landing page where a tiny error occurs. So this error is very easily solvable. I just haven't ran the right query. If I do, it would only show the travel plans that has been made by other users. So here you can see the bad query that I ran, and it only works with a specific join that I make. So there's another error. But if given, I could easily fix this. I know what's wrong. Just give me some time and I can find where the error is. It worked with the other registered users, but for some reason it's duplicating here. And as I go there, and there's another error. So if I click whoever made that event, it should work. So here, if I click add travel plan, oh, there's another error about display data. Don't know what's happening there. But if I click add travel plan, I can enter in the destination. Here's a form validation with future and start dates as well. Made sure that that everything is verified correctly. Destination description can't be empty. Dates cannot be before today, as well as dates cannot be in a random format like that. And if I click that, if I try again and with a different date format, it should be able to work. Here we go. Let's test a date that's before today. And there you go. Please still enter that valid date format. Both formats has to be valid. So if we add a trip with correct dates, it should add right to the user dashboard. And there you have it right there. And if I click there, it should display the data, but I just ran the wrong ID. So if I just put the correct ID in, it should grab all the correct info. So the logout works like that. And now if I click login, there you go. Those are the two. So this is my test data. And again, I must have grabbed the wrong ID. So overall, I know the mistakes I made and I can easily go back and fix it, but given the time constraint as well as my lack of database with SQL, for some reason SQL did not make the many-to-many table that I requested, so I had to make my own table. I could have easily gone back and just redid some code and made it all a lot simpler, but instead I'm here talking about my errors. So if you have any questions, please contact me. My name is Min. Hope you enjoy the video. The other thing I was unclear about, actually, as we almost close the video here, if you click to the main dashboard, I was unsure with the wireframe. It told us to move it up, as you click join, but it didn't tell us if we should remove it or keep it down there. And I ran into a great deal of time trying to figure out how to move it up. So it should be made clear to other red belt tests to either remove it or keep it down there because they are other travel plans made by users.